to give some example of the most common computer hardware problems.
Problem number 1. Your computer won't turn on. This is a common problem that often offer a simple solution. Is everything plugged in? I can tell you how many times I have come across a broken computer that simply had an unplugged component. Try plugging into different power outlets. It isn't uncommon to blow fuse, especially with more power-hungry systems. Is either the monitor, mouse, or keyboard the only thing that's not working? If so, try plugging a different one to see if that does the job. Most of the time, replacing one of these is cheaper than attempting a repair. Once you complete the above step, it's time to look at the tower. Are the lights on in the front or back of the tower? If not, the power supply unit may be turned off. Next, you can open up your tower and look at the motherboard. Most have a small LED light built in to show if power is running to the motherboard. If it is turned off, you can either try using PSU tester or replace the PSU. Never try to open a PSU and try to repair it yourself, as this is extremely dangerous.
Problem number 2. Another common problem is that your PC is slowing down. You click on an app and it feels like you are waiting a lifetime for it to load. This is common with older computer, but you need to look for solution regardless. First, try to find the program that are using too much of your computer's memory and processing power. Use the task manager to find out which programs using a lot of memory, and then close those that aren't used. You can also disable the startup program, which can also be viewed within the task manager. Disable and program you don't need.
Problem number 3. Your computer screen freeze. When your computer screen freeze and isn't responsive to your mouse or keyboard, the first thing to do is just wait. Sometimes, it will just take a few minutes to your computer to process. Then task the non-responding program. If that doesn't work, turn off the computer by holding down the power button and then rebooting into safe mode. Don't forget about saving your work first, if you can.
Problem number 4. The blue screen of death. The blue screen of death, or BSOD, appears when Microsoft Windows has an unrestrictable critical error that causes a crash and subsequent data loss. This can be caused by the low-level software and window crashes. When the BSOD occurs, the computer automatically creates a metadata file and restart the computer. If the blue screen appears again, follow the prompts to identify the screen from the error code content and learn how to fix the problem.
Problem number 5. The fan on your computer isn't working. The fan is important as it keeps the CPU cool so that the components don't overheat and become damaged. It is common for fans to stop running when the computer is cool. But if your fans are not running whilst it has been on for a while and is hot, you may have an issue with your cooling system. Most of the time, the motherboard is responsible for the problem. The fan may not have been installed properly, for there could be a problem with the wiring. To test this, you should connect this fan to an external power source to see if it still works, so that you know whether it is the fan or the motherboard which is malfunctioning. The fan might have a dust on it, in which case you can simply clean it off. Another possibility is that the bearing on the fan is stuck or the fan has broken. If you're not tech savvy, you may need a professional technician to help you if the fan needs replacing.
Problem number 6. You get a CMOS error. The CMOS complementary metal oxide semiconductor is an onboard chip that stores information running from the time, date to system hardware settings. If you get a CMOS alert message showing up in your screen, it's likely you need to replace the CMOS battery located on the motherboard. Remove it carefully, insert a new battery that is exactly the same as the old one, and enter the CMOS value to the default.
Problem number 7. Cases are and covers. It is easy to plan a grid. You said PC cases are covers. You said consider how yesterday the frame is if it look like it is in good shape. It's probably is. There is no need to test. Cases are covers. In the same way, you make other part, just make sure that they don't have broken part.
Again, we are group 2 and that's all the 7 examples of the most common computer hardware problems. Thank you for watching.